My name is Noel Ozick, and own the Cabinet Door Shop, Hot Springs, Arkansas. You know, it's a family-owned operation. My wife and I, Robin, we've been in it for about 35 years. So really, when you own your own business, you do just a little bit of everything, whatever it takes. With the metal nails, you have to really stay on top of your guns. You know, making sure they're driving the right depth. If that driver's not setting those nails to the right depth every time, you run the risk of getting into it with a sander. So we're looking for something that would help our belt life. The belt life is what we were trying to improve, and we were also trying to come up with a way where we didn't have to putty the nail holes. When we send it out to our customers, we want it to be ready to stain or paint or whatever they're doing with it. We Googled composite nails and came across them that way. Before we even purchased any of these nails, we did some serious number crunching and hours, man hours that are involved in our procedures. And it was a pretty much even wash for us. So we thought, you know what, let's try it. It saves all kinds of times, which allows us to build more product a day, which helps not only us, but it helps our customers get their product quicker. Everything that goes out of these doors has a composite nail in it. So there's no nail holes, there's no wood putty to shrink. With a putty, sometimes it shrinks and then you have a recessed hole. So with the nails, it's just perfectly smooth every time. The people in our inspection areas love these composite nails. There's no putty to have to worry about. They don't have to set a nail. If it's been sanded through, it's virtually undetectable. By switching to Raptor composite nails, we've been able to offer our customers a higher quality product, a stronger product, a flush nail hole that's paintable or stainable, and we've increased our belt life greatly. So it was a win-win for the Cabinet Door Shop. I would absolutely recommend the composite fasteners to other manufacturers. They've worked very well for us.